If you believe that less is more when it comes to design, modern may be your style.
That it favors strong, straight lines, simple in nature, and not overly fussy. The focus here is on minimalism. Less is more is the key to this style. The color palette tends to be lighter, mostly white and light grays, often with pops of bold, contrasting colors like black, green, or orange. It creates a crisp, clean look with visual interest. Common design elements include dark wood or tile flooring, flat front cabinets, quartz countertops, and an emphasis on natural light and simple forms. Overall, this style keeps things pretty unadorned, with simple trim profiles without unnecessary details. People who gravitate towards this style tend to have a minimalist philosophy and like for everything to be in its place.
For inspiration and ideas, visit our website or a local Pulte sales center.